Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy at your homes. I am your GK teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 12, and the name of our unit is the Natural Environment and Resources. Today is its 5th lesson, but before starting the lesson, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lesson. So you have to answer a few questions. Quickly tell me, why is air important for us? As you know that in the previous lesson, we discussed all about air as a natural resources, why it is important, what are the different gases present in it. So you have to tell me, why is air important for us? Because air helps us in breathing. Very good. How would our life be without air? अगर हवा ना हो तो आपकी जिंदगी कैसी हो जाएगी? You cannot live without air. So, life is not possible without air. So, my dear students, from here we will move forward. As you know that we have discussed about different natural resources. We have discussed about sun. We have discussed about land. We have also discussed about water as a natural resource. पानी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, इसके बगैर भी ज़िंदगी जो है वो मुमकिन नहीं है. लाइफ कैन नॉट remain without water. And then we also discussed about air as a natural resource. तो अब हमने इतने ज़्यादा natural resources के बारे में पढ़ लिया है. आज हम पढ़ेंगे man-made and natural resources में क्या difference है. So my dear students, next on your screen you can see, here on one side you can see all the natural things. You can see mountains, you can see trees, clouds, sun, air, water, all these things are natural resources. Whereas on the other side, you can tell कि ये जो हैं ये man-made चीज़ें हैं. Books, table, chair, pencil on the table, then you can see a bag on the chair. So, now quickly tell me which side is natural and which side is man-made. Here you can see. This is natural, all the things are natural, whereas this side is man-made. यहाँ पे books भी आदमियों ने बनाई हैं. Obviously, people make books, table, pencil, bags and chairs. So, there's a difference between man-made and natural things, okay? From here, we will move forward. Here you can see Sarah is standing in her living room and Sarah is thinking that she wants to eat chicken. So, can she eat chicken like this? क्या सारा इस तरीके से चिकन को खा सकती है? No. So, what she need to do here is, Sarah will cook it in the kitchen inside a pot. ठीक है? तो जब सारा इसको कुक कर लेगी तो natural things से चिकन जो है वो man-made फूड में चेंज हो जाएगा, करी में चेंज हो जाएगा, बिरयानी में चेंज हो जाएगा, anything that she wants. तो that means कि कोई भी जो हम man-made चीज़ बनाते हैं वो बेसिकली नेचुरल चीज़ों से ही मिलकर बनती है. ठीक है? तो हम ये भी पढ़ेंगे. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हियर यू कैन सी कि शुगर केन जो है, गन्ने जो होते हैं, दे आर नेचुरल. ये नेचुरल होते हैं. सो द शुगर दैट यू ईट और यू पुट इनसाइड योर टी और इनसाइड एनी स्वीट थिंग, तो दैट शुगर कम्स फ्रॉम द शुगर केन. ये शुगर केन से बनती है. सो दैट मीन्स कि हम अपनी ज़रूरतों के लिए डिफरेंट मैन-मेड मटीरियल्स जो हम बनाते हैं वो हम नेचुरल चीज़ों से बनाते हैं टू फुलफिल आवर नीड्स. So with this we will move forward towards student learning outcomes which are given on page number 85. So today we will differentiate between the natural and human made materials. हम ये देखेंगे कि कौन से जो है वो natural है और कौन से materials जो हैं वो human made हैं. From here we will move forward towards the Islamic perspective. As you all know that everything around us, the natural things are made by the God. Allah Ta'ala ने बनाई हैं. It is God who made the earth for you to settle and the heavens as a canopy. He designed you and perfected your design and provided you with wholesome things. Such is God your Lord. So blessed be God, Lord of the worlds. So we must be extremely thankful for all the blessings that we are enjoying in our daily life. From here, we will move forward towards some pre-reading questions that you need to answer. Quickly tell me the chair on which you are sitting right now, what it is made of. its resource is natural or man-made. अब जिस chair पे आप बैठे हुए हैं, what it is made of? Quickly tell me. Maybe wood. So tell me, wood is man-made or natural? Wood is natural, of course, because it comes from the tree and tree is natural. So that means जिस chair पे आप बैठे हुए हैं वो एक natural चीज से बनी हुई है, ठीक है? एक natural चीज से हमने उसको बनाया है. Next question, look at the different things around you and tell what are they made up of and is it natural or man-made. ठीक है? अब अपने इर्द गिर्द आप different चीजों को देखें. Look around, pause the video and look around different things around you and then tell कि ये चीजें किस चीज से बनी हुई हैं and the thing is natural or man-made. ठीक है? From here we will move forward. So around me I can see an LCD, I can see a wooden table, I can see clothes which I'm wearing. So I can tell that all these things are somehow made from the natural things. The clothes that I'm wearing, they are made from cotton and cotton is a natural product. And then the table, the wooden table is made from the wood. The table is man-made, but the thing from which it is made up of, that is natural. Wood is natural. ठीक है? लेकिन जब इसको इंसान बना देते तो then it becomes man-made. Okay, from here we will move forward. Quickly pause the video and open page number 90 in your GK2 books. I hope everybody has opened page number 90 in their books. So my dear students, here on the screen you can see natural materials and man-made materials. Let's quickly have a look at the pictures first. So you can see that the wheat is natural and the bread is made from this wheat, but the bread is man-made. क्योंकि हम इसको बनाते हैं तो that means it's man-made. Plants are natural and the medicines are made up of plants. Different medicines जो हैं वो plants से बनती हैं. So that means medicines are, क्योंकि हमने इनको बनाया है तो that's why they are man-made, but the source is natural. Wood is natural. The furniture which is made from it is man-made. The animal skin is natural and the different products which are made from them are man-made. Similarly, cotton crop is natural and the clothes which are made from it are man-made. So, from here we will move forward towards the reading page. Quickly put your fingers where I will read. Natural and man-made materials. Human beings always depend upon natural resources. Some of these resources could not be used in raw form. So, man has developed techniques that process the raw material and make different products. Below are given some examples. So my dear students, here you can see कि हम जो है human beings जो है हम different चीज़ें बनाते हैं. हम कपड़े बनाते हैं, tables बनाते हैं, chairs बनाते हैं, bags, books, pencils, stationery products. So these all things are called man-made materials. ये चीज़ें जो man-made materials हैं, originally they come from the natural materials और वो natural materials जो होते हैं वो raw form में होते हैं, अपनी original form में होते हैं. तो हम उनको ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में रॉ फॉर्म में यूज नहीं कर सकते. दैट्स व्हाई वी चेंज देम एंड दे बिकम मैन मेड. ओके, हम बहुत सी टेक्निक्स यूज करते हैं, बहुत से डिफरेंट मशीनरीज यूज करते हैं टू चेंज देम इनटू अ चेयर, अ टेबल, एन LCD, a whiteboard, a blackboard. So this is how we change different natural things into man-made things. So below you can see different pictures जिनको हम already देख चुके हैं. Let me zoom them in again for you. Okay, so here you can see different natural materials and man-made materials on your screen. Okay, my dear students, this side is all raw materials. This is all raw materials. These are all man-made materials. Okay, raw means natural or in their original form. From here, we will move forward towards your practice page. So you have to open page number 94 in your books. And you also have to take out your pencils. Okay. So reading. Exercise B, identify different man-made products from the following and name their natural resource. I will do the first one for you and you will do the rest by yourself. So here you can see jam. This is jam and you have to tell this is jam और आपको इसका natural resource बताना है. तो it is mixed fruit jam, so its natural resource is fruits. Okay, so आपको तमाम man-made चीज़ों को बताना है. This is natural, so you will write here natural. Okay, again this is man-made. These are biscuits. So, what is its resource? Wheat. Then chair is again man-made. And what is its resource? Wood. So now we will move forward towards the next page. Okay. Here you can see coal. Coal is natural. Then sugar is man-made. And what is its resource? I told you in the start of the lesson, sugar cane. Very nice. Okay. Then plant. A plant is also natural. You will write here natural. Then a sweater. It is man-made. And what is its resource? Quickly tell me. Wool. And wool comes from animals. Okay. So my dear students, here we have differentiated between and identified different man-made and natural products. From here we will move forward towards page number 96 and you will do question number 6 in your notebooks. Why do we process natural resources before use? We process natural resource to fulfill our needs. Okay, my dear students, now you will do that question in your notebooks. And you will now do the worksheet which will be provided to you by your teacher. So here you will first write your name and your class and write under the correct category. Here you can see different materials and you have to write them under man-made and natural, whether they are man-made or natural. So soil. Soil is man-made or natural? Soil. Then water. Water is natural or man-made? Natural. Then let me write one pencil. Pencil is man-made. So this is how you will do rest of the worksheet. It's so easy. Carefully look at the names and then categorize them. From here we will move forward towards your evaluation. So page number 94, I will ask the questions. Question number 15, what are man-made resources? Anything which is made by man, it is a man-made resource. Question number 16, name some man-made resources. Quickly, biscuits, sugar, and bread. These are all sweaters, clothes that you are wearing. These are all man-made. From here, we will move forward towards your homework. So quickly note down the homework. It is given on page number 90, home activity number 4. Write the ways we depend on natural resources. आपको अपनी नोटबुक के अंदर different ways लिखने हैं जिनकी वजह से हम natural resources पे depend करते हैं. For example, sun पे, water पे, air पे, land पे. We have discussed this in detail in previous lessons. So now you can easily write it down. Then your next homework is home activity number 5. Search about some other products which we get from wheat, plants and wood and cotton crops. Note down your answer in your notebook. Now in your notebook हमने यहाँ पर कुछ चीज़ें पढ़ी हैं कि हम wheat से biscuits बनाते हैं, bread बनाते हैं. तो आपको कुछ दूसरी चीज़ों के नाम लिखने हैं जो हम इन products से, इन natural products से बनाते हैं. Okay? For example, let me tell you, from wheat we make roti that you eat every day. So that is made from the wheat. So you have to search out some other man-made products which we make from these natural products. From here, we will move forward towards your wrap-up. So today's wrap-up is people process natural resources to make different products to fulfill their needs. हम natural resources को process करते हैं, उनको different techniques से change करते हैं ताकि हम अपनी ज़रूरियात को पूरा कर सकें. So my dear students, this is it for today. I hope you have learned about the difference between man-made and natural things. So, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.